Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name on your Hunting Snipers account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Hunting Sniper, firstly go ahead and launch open your Hunting Sniper application. The home page of Hunting Sniper application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on your profile picture displayed on the top left side of the page. On the next page, click on paper icon right next to your profile name. Now all you need to do is edit your name and tap on confirm. You can see that your name has now been updated. This is how you can change your name on Hunting Snipers application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.